Orbis Financial Corporation Limited is offering you a gateway to an untapped investment potential as an unlisted share. So let's talk about the company in detail. Orbis Financial Corporation Limited is headquartered in Gurgaon and has been providing services since 2009. It is registered with SEBI as a custodian of securities and a clearing member in all the market segments in India. Current offerings of Orbis are custodial services, designated depository participant, professional clearing member, registrar and transfer agent, trusteeship, fund accounting, escrow services for securities. And Orbis extends its services to foreign portfolio investors, foreign direct investors, mutual funds, insurance companies, endowments and trusts, stockbrokers, private banks, PMS and AIFs. Orbis began its commercial operations in 2009 and it is also registered in the GIFT City. In 2019, it initiated its registrar and share transfer agent services as an accredited entity by SEBI, swiftly followed by its trustee services as a recognized provider accredited by SEBI. Orbis Financials earns money from capital market, which means its income and how much profit it makes can change based on how well the market is doing. This industry is highly regulated by SEBI and there are only 20 companies in India licensed by SEBI that can provide custodial services. And out of these, 6 are domestic banks, 8 are foreign banks and 5 are financial institutions. And Orbis is the only independent custody service provider. And these are the current clients of Orbis Financials. Now coming to its financials, March 2024 revenue was Rs 431 crore versus Rs 300 crore in the previous year, which is a growth of 43.7%. PAT was Rs 141 crore in March 2024 versus Rs 90 crore in the previous year, which is a growth of 56.7%. And the EPS went from Rs 8.9 in March 2023 to Rs 12.2 per share in March 2024. With outstanding shares of 12.1 crore, their market cap at the current share price stands at 5,573 crore with a PE multiplier of 37.7. And now coming to its shareholders, these are the top shareholders owning the majority of the shareholding rights. As per an ET report dated 6th Feb 2023, ACE investor Ashish Kacholia participated in a funding round by Orbis Financial Corporation that also saw the participation of other marquee investors, both existing and new. And now, if you want to invest in Orbis Financial Corporation Limited's unlisted shares or any other similar companies, head over to stockify.net.in or drop a comment below.